Lobola negotiations are happening at Zolega's house. Zolega is very supportive of Tumeka. Tumeka even went as far as asking Zolega to accompany her when they asked to see the bride. Randla went to see Lazarus and spilled all the beans about the whole fraud thing that they did. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Utumega went to Zolega's house early in the morning and asked her to be by her side. I think I'm doing this one by my side. Zolega was like, you know what, this is weird because you are marrying my ex-husband. But yes, I know it's crazy, but please ngiyakudinga. Zolega being kind-hearted, she agreed, and everyone was just happy, ululating and all. And then they start preparations, get cooking and preparing for the Mabandlas to come. The Mabandla, Lukanyu comes and says, Zolega, why are you letting these people do this crazy thing they're doing, Slovalaka negotiations in your house? Why do you let them do this to us? They are disrespecting our dignity. We're losing our dignity, Zolega. But disrespect, I want to pick each. Ati Uzolega, Tumeka asked me to be by her side, and I'm supporting her as my sister should do the same. And then Lazarus calls Zolega to say hi to her and just realize what was in your life is a movie. You're having your sister cousin being lobalad at your house by your ex-husband. And then Utumega no Zolega, like they're all sisterly love, and Zolega is very supportive, helping her get dressed, and Kawa is also there, no Magaba. Utumega is like, I've missed this, having my family around, being surrounded by love. I'm grateful that you're all here. And then says Utukawe, I'm grateful that you're here, even though you and Zolega have issues. Magaba was like, issues, referring to that thing Pele can my way too, but Uzolega like, no, it's work issues. And then Tada is also there saying, oh, finally Tum it's happening at your Utumega, I'm so happy, it feels like I'm dreaming. And then the Mamandlas arrive. They start greeting at the gate. They take out the money that they pay before they let them in the house. Lukai is making things difficult, wanting to milk them for more money before he lets them in. And then they start to feel disrespected, and it's just delaying everything. Utumega is in the house, watching from the window, saying, what is Lukanyo doing? He's going to ruin things for me. These people are going to go back. Please, Makaba, intervene. Apo Mega Makaba goes outside to speak to Lukanyo, saying, Lukanyo, please don't ruin Tumega's day. And then finally they let them in and they started negotiating. Abantu bakabhikisha, they said they want 80,000 rand for ilobola, and the Mamandlas agreed. And then the next thing they said they want to see the bride. And then Gutiwa Ukawe will go with Utumega. They'll cover themselves with the blankets and go outside. Ati Utandega, but we need 3 people, but we don't have people. Tumega then asks Zolega to accompany them. Ati Zolega, no, I can't do that. It's too much. But Tumega insists and Zolega agrees. And then they go outside again. So it's Kawe, Zolega, and Tumega covered in blankets. Now the Mabandlas must pick who is the bride. It seems like Utulani chose the wrong person. I hope it's not Zolega because it's going to be so weird. And then Ulandle no babakhe Sydney wants Ulandle to in my family, we need to stick together. Atulandle, you know what, this time around I'm putting myself first. I'm not gonna let you manipulate me like you did last time. And the person that you should be blaming is the dice, because the dice is selling us out. And then Sydney is worried, goes to Kusela to look for Ulandle. Finds that Ulandle is already in Zolega's office with Lazarus, spilling the beans, explaining everything that happened and how they did the what breach. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.